Hello guys, thanks for clicking and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to jump in grammar tenses. قواعد اللغة الأزمنة and precisely the present perfect tense. المضارع التام. So let's go first for the definition. The present perfect is a grammatical tense which is used to describe actions or events that happened in the past or have relevance to the present moment. هي أحد الأزمنة التي تستخدم للتعبير عن الأحداث التي حدثت في الماضي أو لها علاقة بالحاضر. Let's see now the form. The simple present of the verb have, so we use have, and the past participle of the conjugated verb. Like this exactly. So we use have or has. As we know, we use have with I, you, we, and they, and for has only with three, he, she, and it, plus the past participle of the conjugated verb, and the past participle is like irregular verbs and must be memorized. هو التصريف الثالث للحفظ مثل الأفعال الغير المنتظمة. Now let's review the simple present tense of verb have. We have in singular I have, you have, he, she, and it has. And for the plural, we have, you have, and they have. Clear? Now let me give you a sentence. Mike has just watered the plants. Mike has just watered the plants. Here we have verb have and the simple present tense, plus the adverbial, which is just, and watered, verb water, and the past participle. Now, let's see when do we use the present perfect tense. First, something that started in the past and continues in the present. حدث يبدأ في الماضي ويستمر في الحاضر. Here is an example. Maria has lived in London all her life. Maria has lived in London all her life. عاشت ماريا حياتها في لندن ولا تزال لحد الآن تعيش فيها. Move on to the second use of the present perfect. 2. When we are talking about our experience up to the present. Example: I have seen the movie before. I have seen that movie before. شاهدت هذا الفيلم من قبل. Another example: my last birthday was the worst day I have ever had. My last birthday was the worst day I've ever had. عيد ميلادي الماضي كان أسوأ يوم قضيته على الإطلاق. And remember that we can say I have or I've. So both of them are similar. The thing is that I have is the full form and I've is the short form. We often use the present perfect with adverbials, which refer to the recent past. For example, just, recently, already, and so on and so forth. Now let's see some instances. Here we go. He has just eaten an apple. He has just eaten an apple. هو أكل التفاحة للتو. So, it is in the past. So why don't we use the simple past instead? لماذا لا نستخدم الماضي بدلا من المضارع التام؟ Of course, we can, like this. He ate an apple. He ate an apple. هو أكل التفاحة. Is it correct? Yes, of course, the sentence is correct. But there is something to add. We have to add few seconds ago, or for example, last minute, last hour, like this. He ate an apple few seconds ago. So this is the simple past of the sentence. And we can also say he just eaten an apple. He just eaten an apple. So both are correct. The first one is in the simple past. We have to add few seconds or few minutes, while the last sentence is the present perfect, and there is no need to add anything to the sentence. في الجملة الثانية لا داعي لإضافة أي شيء. هذا ببساطة هو الفرق بين استخدام الماضي البسيط أو المضارع التام. That's all, and thank you for watching, and to be continued, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit like and share. Thanks a lot, and catch up soon.